show you my favorite French toast recipe. French toast can be a delicious idea for a sweet Saturday morning. For this recipe we need the following ingredients: half a cup of milk, 3 eggs, a quarter cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, quarter cup of butter, 6 slices of bread, a cup of frozen berries, maple syrup to taste, cinnamon, it's optional if you don't want to add it, it's just fine, and salt. We start by adding the eggs to a mixing bowl. Be sure that the mixing bowl is a medium size so that you can fit the bread. Add the milk, the sugar, some salt, and the vanilla extract. And whisk everything together. Whisk until the sugar is dissolved completely. Once the sugar is dissolved, you can start preparing the caramelized berries. Add a tablespoon of sugar to a pot and caramelize it. You can mix now and then just to be sure that you don't burn the sugar. Once the sugar is caramelized, you can add the frozen berries. Mix everything together and cook it for about 2 minutes. While the berries are cooking, add some of the butter to a frying pan on medium heat. When the berries are ready, set them aside. When the butter turns golden, soak the bread into the mixture on both sides and put it into the pan. My pan, it fits only 3 slices. Fry the bread on both sides up until golden and then set it aside. Do the same with all the other slices. Our French toast is ready. Add 3 slices to a plate. You can sprinkle some cinnamon. Add the caramelized berries on top of the bread. Add some maple syrup and sprinkle some powdered sugar. Our French toast is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.